So I'm about to come up on Copperas Falls. If you're ever in the Red River Gorge in Kentucky, this is a great trail to do, but you have to cross a creek several, 15, 16 times. So waterproof boots are a must, and I'm just trying mine out. They're working great so far. Breaking them in though hurt my feet a little, but it's a great trail, lots of hidden arches. It's an obstacle course. Not a lot of elevation or anything. Look at the beautiful icicles. And I highly recommend it. There's like 6 hidden arches back through this trail to Copperas Falls. And I've been to 4 of them. Today was a failure with Hopewell, but oh well. We'll try it again another day with a partner. And here we have Copperas. It's absolutely beautiful. And I think I have it to myself. And it is time to make hot chocolate. Somebody made a snowman from last weekend. Looks like it has a weapon. Yeah, it has a weapon. That is cool. Water's so green. Yeah, got some icicles up there. It's beautiful. All right, just wanted to share Copperas Falls. Later.